And I can see that post over there. It shows Isinya 10 kilometers.
Yeah,
so it means from where we are right now to Isinya town is 10 kilometers.
Yeah,
so if we walk like this along this road for 10 kilometers, we reach to Isinya.
We reach to Isinya.
At Namanga Road.
At Namanga.
And you can take public transport to Kajiado. Or Namanga.
To Namanga.
And go to Tanzania. So we can sleep in Tanzania today if we so wish.
If we wish.
Wow! We are just almost near Tanzania.
Which is along Namanga Road.
This is interesting.
Namanga Highway.
Namanga Highway.
Yeah.
This is so nice. Africa is connected.
Africa is connected.
Should be one country. Like the United States of Africa.
Like the United States of Africa. In Kenya and Tanzania. It's like we are one thing.
We are just one thing.
Yeah, it was only that.
It's just the colonial master.
Colonial master.
He's the one, in his own wisdom, he decided here is Kenya and here is Tanzania.
We even share the same language.
And we share the same Swahili language. And our cultures are just similar.
The same.
Like even the Maasai.
Yeah, the Maasai.
They're the same here in Kenya.
The Maasai in Kenya.
And Tanzania. The Kurias in Nyanza. In Kenya and Tanzania. And also the Bukusus, I think. Or even if you go to Busia, the Samias, there's a tribe called Samia in Busia. It is in Kenya and Uganda.
It is in Uganda still.
So we are one.
We are one.
Only divided by by useless borders, and they require us to have passport. You can imagine. So that now we cannot go to Tanzania without passports. You can imagine.
That was a thing introduced to Kenya.
You can imagine.
Africa by colonial rule.
You can imagine.
But I think Africa used to be one state.
You can imagine.
Yeah, Africa used to be one state.
That's terrible. Like if you go to countries like in Europe, you can just cross those borders from Germany to the other country like that. You go Sweden, all those countries, Finland, you just go. But here
in Africa,
it's so tough.
I think it should not
so
be
difficult.
It is difficult to cross from Kenya
Can you imagine?
to Tanzania.
And we are Africans.
Without the papers.
Without papers.
I wonder, it come to one.
It becomes so difficult even for an African. Sometimes they even make it easy. They even make it easy for foreigners. They come to visa free.
Yeah,
and you see, now